I had a rhythm that Equinox built. And me bring it come at the studio and Busy and super hype. Super hype too. Busy and super hype. Busy get the rhythm and then record something on a demo down super hype studio. And it was Step Out. When me hear the song, me say, blow, whoa, yo. So me call Super, yo, send me the file now. Need it. And Super say, yo, it was a long thing. I had to link Equinox who build the rhythm, do an agreement with them and all kind of thing, just because the song is a hit.
Yeah. You knew it once you heard it.
Yeah, once I heard it, I knew it was a hit. Plus Busy, so Busy saying we're going to voice it over. So he's at Renaissance there and there. So he voice it over at Renaissance. Get the file, factor, mix it. Boom, put it out. This song actually bust after Steps Rhythm because it took a while for Step Out to bust.
Okay, so Step Out didn't bust right away.
No, it didn't bust right away.
Okay.
It was just out playing.
Yeah. So then when did he change his name from Hype Up to Busy Signal?
No, man, from the beginning.
Okay, so even the first song with the Flavor Unit.
Yeah, man, it was Busy Signal.
His name is Busy Signal.
Yeah, man.
Got you. So it came out. So then while Thunderclap is out, you guys recorded Step Out, and it's out, but it didn't break yet.
It didn't break yet.
Yeah.
And we're working on Steps Rhythm now too.
So would you say
So
that
Step
almost
Out
got
and Steps
lost in the shuffle? If you weren't Mind Tribe, that song could have got lost in the shuffle?
No, it couldn't got it. I wasn't going to make it last because we had a engine behind Step Out.
Got you.
Because the engine now was super hype, and DJ Kareem, my brother, the outside now coming now, right? And so we had that engine. Mention Kareem. Kareem play an influence role on Renaissance too as well,
100%.
because he was in that whole thing with the when Delano with the remixing, he was in it too. So
And I'll
DJ
take
Kareem.
that even one step further. Remember, he was Mataran's go-to shooter
Yeah,
at one
man.
point too.
He was yeah, man.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
DJ Kareem, boss.
Yeah, man. So yeah, he was in it. So we had that engine with Step Out now, so it couldn't get lost.
Because you have people taking care of
Yeah,
that
man.
part there.
It's like a in-house engine where and it was a single. It's not like we're juggling this rhythm.
And that was you purposely, or you didn't have time to voice anybody?
No. It's not the time.
Yeah.
We purposely said, this song is for Busy. Because Mama Busy dead every day. We say, yo, this is for Busy. Single. We don't want nobody else on the rhythm. Busy alone. So we started that single thing. Like, yo, Busy alone on this. But it ended up say, it boss Busy, the tune boss now. After Steps, like boss after Steps,
It was after. So then you guys basically had 3 in a row at this time here, no?
Yeah, man. So we had Step Out, Steps. Really, it just everything fall into place. So, so busy now. Say, this is the tune. Shoot a video. Them time the video thing kind of get popular, You have to shoot a video.
Cause even super hypes in that video too, bro.
Yeah, man. It's super hype shoot. It's super I used to pirate super hype. Actually shoot the video.
Okay.
So yeah. So we shoot the video, we do all of that and thing. And then look, when the song bust now, here comes Cartel. No, Killer voice first on it. He goes on a remembering spree with his song. I don't know if you know that song. Yeah. Sometime I wonder if them forget a music I watch time the whole world afraid. Where them there? When that. Yeah. Killer. And the reason why Killer voiced that song was actually for his album. He was doing an album, the album out, and the song actually starts the album too.
Okay. This is
the name of that album.
This is the blue one here. This was after my experience.
This is after my experience.
Yeah,
it's the beginning of What's the name? What's his album after my experience? 'Cause I remember he took a long time.
Fifth Element?
No, that album is called it's like an album of all his hits.
I know what you're
VP
talking.
put out.
It's not coming. I know what you're talking about.
Yeah. So it's like an album with pair of bounty hits. I don't remember the name of it. It wasn't my experience though. My experience was
That was
90s.
the first one there with the
Right,
double
with
one.
the Fugees and Red.
Yeah.
This is like with bounty
Or it
hits.
might have been that red cover one, where's Here Is Out. I forget. what
Maybe,
that-
yeah, I think it's
Yeah.
that one, yeah. Right. Yeah, because it had his hits on it and stuff. So he did that song for his album, because if you notice what the song say, more time him have to wonder if them forget, and him say cap a shot and make the whole world afraid. Where them there? Wait, so that was his intro for the album and My Rhythm, the Step Out. So we had that as an intro. Here goes Bounty, link me now. Yo, you need to get Cartel on it. I'm like, whoa. So I won't forget, I remember driving to Oakland and go check Cartel. At that time, Cartel and Killer was living in Oakland, same, yeah. So me and Cartel sit down. The Cartel voiced 3 songs for me that night, 45. One of them I don't even release yet. I still have it.
Yeah.
But this is the one he did on Step Out. We say, "Boss me going without license." Like that.
You see the mix on that, but Boss
Kareem.
Kareem.
Kareem mix it. DJ Kareem, yeah man. So, but the actual mix rhythm is from Factor, but Kareem used it and mix it his way with the Cartel. So yeah, a lot of people, I voiced that Cartel in a Roland machine, you know, right in his house.
That's crazy, man.
Like a Roland machine with a microphone and him record, punch, right in
It's
his house.
crazy how a lot of these massive songs are in a little room with a mic. You take it to a big studio, you do it, and you actually put that out on a 45 or a CD or whatever and release it. You know what I mean?
Yeah, voice Cartel with that microphone. Enough song we do like that too. Especially a lot of dubs too.
No, remember
Like
when the
crazy.
lick was, everybody was recording their dubs in hotel rooms.
Yeah, man.
You know what I mean? You have a laptop or your rolling machine.
Yeah, man.
And you're shelling it.
When Fully Loaded bus, all of them dubbed them with Killer voice down at the car wash. Yeah, man. History, man. History.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinesmusichut.com.